You recording?
And action.
Yeah!
Whoa! Dude, you're supposed to take the bolts out first.
She don't look too, I mean, little
Something's crustified under there. I don't know what you're talking about.
I mean, you know, it's just, you know, junk and crud and rust, and pulling a lot of rust out of this thing. A lot of rust. I'm gonna sit you down here for a second. There we go. There's a commercial break for you. Enjoy a cool, refreshing Coca-Cola while tearing down your Ford truck. Alrighty. What's the valley look like?
Yep, that can clean up.
As good as the peaks?
Jesus.
I know I'm a goof. Little water in there, looks like.
It's crispy. It's kind of dry, but it's been cooking. Intake's all gummed up.
You think? Oh yeah, look at that. It's a good thing we're pulling the heads off. We'll do a quick port and polish on these.
Yeah, right. You will.
Yeah. How hard could it be? It's just a Ford.
Yeah, that's it.
I apologize to all the Ford owners out there and Ford lovers. You ready?
Sure.
Okay, suction on.
That dry vac?
Yeah, but you're supposed to take the filter out.
Full of oil now. Watch what I'm filming here, huh? Hey, it's raining again.
Step away from the noisy vacuum. Oh yeah. So yeah, thanks for coming back. We're yanking out the 302. We're gonna put in a 1.6 liter 4-cylinder to see if it's feasible to keep. You know, we want this puppy to get up to. I'm figuring about 60 miles to the gallon. We're just gonna not run any accessories. We're gonna leave the belt off so it's less drag on the motor there. You know, we're gonna run about 3 or 4 different batteries, and you know that'll we'll just run the electricity. We're gonna put a big solar panel in the bed. And then we'll have it on the pulley system so you can tilt it to get maximum reflection off the sunshine there. Unfortunately, because we live in the Pacific Northwest, going to be a little bit of an issue with the sunshine, so this may be a summertime only truck. Thank you and have a nice day. Go Bears. Alright, intake manifolds off. Yay.
Valve covers are next, and the exhaust manifolds, and then the heads.
And we'll be making videos of it all shortly. Please stay tuned. Bye-bye.